Hi ho, hi ho, it's off to work we go. With a bucket and spade and a hand grenade. Hi ho, hi ho, hi ho, hi ho.
Bom dia.
Bom dia.
Hi everyone, I'm Mike.
And this is Diana. This season is take 2 of an experience that we've already done, but we're doing it differently this time. Traveling from the north of England all the way to central Portugal. Armed with a new arsenal. We've got knowledge and we've got a bit of experience, and this time maybe we're even a bit wiser than we were the first time. So I hope you enjoy the ride. You can check out how we cope traveling, looking at properties, and who knows, maybe we might even find the right property. So stay tuned. Later. Hi there. Thanks for joining me. As you can hear, my voice is still not quite back. Getting there. This video today is about a drive we took up to the mountainous areas of Portugal. It's very beautiful. We drove through a few little towns and villages, and it was beautiful. And once we were up in the mountains, it was amazing. One of the things that I forgot to record was our discussion about the properties that we were looking at. By this point, we'd seen a couple, and we kind of decided that we really needed to get some sort of criteria down. And with that came, deciding what things we were able to bend on, what things, we wouldn't budge on, and basically, finding that criteria and what we were willing to let go of, what we wouldn't, what was a hard no, etc. So let me go through that with you now. So the criteria we decided upon was the outside space must have a garden, minimum of 200 meters square, and it must be attached to the property. 3 bedrooms minimum, any more is great. We wanted something on the outskirts of a town or a village, not too busy, but not too isolated. We'd like there to be outside structures, barns, outhouses, etc., with the option to be renovated. We needed mains water, mains electric, easily accessed or attached. The house needed to be in basic condition, livable, but we were able to do, small jobs like a new bathroom, new kitchen, painting, decorating, even a few, maybe not so small jobs we were open to. The roof had to be in good condition. It had to be legal and had the habitation license. A fence or a wall surrounding the property to make sure little Pepper couldn't escape or get lost. Not really escape, she doesn't escape. We needed good internet in the area because I work from home. Our max was 60,000, maybe 70. Extras. We'd love to have good views, good transportation, maybe a cafe nearby, shops, because girls like shopping. And if one of the things they mentioned was if they were stuck in the middle of nowhere, they'd be really, really bored. So there you go. So we kind of decided on these things. So I hope you enjoy watching this drive around the beautiful areas of Portugal. The mountainous views are amazing. Driving is, according to Mike, so much better in Europe anyway. And, plus the view, it's amazing. So enjoy this view, this scenic drive through the mountains. And I hope you enjoy it. and I'll speak to you soon. Later. Bye.